Have you ever wondered how that small piece of Orbit gum freshens your breath and brings a burst of flavor in seconds? It's not just a piece of gum, it's a product of science, flavor innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship. From selecting the finest ingredients to delivering the perfect chew, Orbit gum has become a global sensation for its sugar-free freshness and iconic flavors. Join us as we unveil the fascinating process behind Orbit gum, a story of precision and taste that you'll never look at the same way again. Orbit gum, known for its sugar-free freshness and flavorful varieties, has been a favorite for decades. Launched by Wrigley, a subsidiary of Mars, Orbit was designed to deliver both great taste and oral care benefits. Orbit's iconic tagline, "Just brushed clean feeling," reflects its commitment to freshening breath while promoting healthier smiles. But what goes into making Orbit gum so irresistible? Let's take a closer look at its journey from raw materials to the moment it's unwrapped. The journey of Orbit gum begins with selecting high-quality ingredients that meet strict safety and taste standards. At its core, gum base is the essential ingredient, made from a blend of natural and synthetic materials to create the perfect chew. Sweeteners like sorbitol, xylitol, and aspartame are added to make Orbit gum sugar-free while maintaining its signature sweetness. These sweeteners also contribute to oral health by reducing the risk of cavities. Flavors like spearmint, peppermint, and fruity blends are crafted using natural and artificial flavorings, ensuring a long-lasting and refreshing experience. Each ingredient is rigorously tested to ensure it meets Wrigley's high standards for quality and safety. Once the ingredients are selected, they are transported to Wrigley's state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. The process begins in large mixing machines where the gum base is heated until it becomes soft and pliable. Sweeteners, flavorings, and colorants are gradually added to the base, creating a homogeneous mixture. The process is carefully controlled to ensure the consistency and flavor profile that Orbit gum is known for. This stage is where the magic happens, turning raw materials into the flavorful gum that millions enjoy daily. After the ingredients are mixed, the gum mixture is rolled into thin sheets or extruded into long ropes. These sheets or ropes are then cooled to maintain their texture and prevent sticking. Using high-precision cutting machines, the gum is sliced into individual pieces, each with the perfect size and shape for chewing. Orbit's iconic pillow-shaped pieces are designed for easy handling and an enjoyable chew. The pieces are coated with a fine layer of powdered sweetener or glaze to enhance their texture and prevent them from sticking together. Quality control is a crucial part of the Orbit gum production process. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Wrigley's high standards for flavor, texture, and appearance. Automated systems check for consistency in size and shape, while flavor experts perform sensory evaluations to confirm that each piece delivers Orbit's signature taste. Packaging is also carefully inspected to ensure it protects the gum's freshness and maintains its appeal. Orbit gum is known for its convenient and stylish packaging. Each piece of gum is individually wrapped to preserve its freshness and make it easy to carry. The gum is then packaged into compact sleeves or flip-top boxes, designed for portability and convenience. The bright, colorful designs of Orbit packaging are instantly recognizable and reflect the brand's fresh and vibrant personality. Once the gum is packaged, it's ready for distribution. Orbit gum is shipped to retailers worldwide, ensuring that consumers always have access to their favorite flavors. The logistics process is streamlined to maintain the gum's freshness and ensure timely delivery. Orbit's global reach means you can find it in supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines in over 180 countries. Orbit gum is more than just a product. It's a combination of flavor innovation, oral care, and convenience. Each piece is crafted with precision and care, delivering the perfect balance of taste, freshness, and functionality. Whether you're looking to freshen your breath, enjoy a burst of flavor, or maintain a healthy smile, Orbit Gum is the go-to choice for millions around the world. So, the next time you unwrap a piece of Orbit Gum, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you, from high-quality ingredients to the perfect chew.
Orbit Gum isn't just about freshening breath, it's about creating moments of confidence and joy. Now that you know the story behind every piece, which Orbit flavor is your favorite? Share in the comments below.